Hi, we would like to present about microeconomics from the topics elasticity. We are diploma student in business studies from KPM Brana. For the case 1 is about the price elasticity of demand. So using the formula, for a good X, the value is less than 1. So demand is inelastic. Demand for the product does not change significantly after a price increase. So a quantity of demand is increased and the price is decreased. Next, for a good Y, elasticity is higher than 1. It signifies product have an elastic demand. Demand for the product is sensitive to an increase in price. So a price increase and the quantity of demand is decreased.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aina Khalida and my ID number is BDB2207057. So for case 2, income elasticity of demand, from the question, when income increases by 6%, the quantity demanded for frugal furniture decreases to negative 0.88. So frugal furniture is considered as inferior good since the relationship between income and quantity demanded of frugal furniture is negative income elasticity because it is less than 0. So from the calculation that I've already made, we can interpret that the quantity demanded of frugal furniture decreases to negative 5.28% when income increases by 6%. Moving on to the high-end furniture. So from the question, when the income increases by 6%, the quantity demanded of high-end furniture increases to 1.78%. So high-end furniture is considered as luxury goods since the relationship between income and quantity demanded of luxury good is fairly elastic income elasticity because it is more than 1. So from the calculation I've already made, the quantity demanded of high-end furniture increases to 10.68% when income increases by 6%. So as you can see, this graph shows what happened to income elasticity of demand of frugal furniture when income rises. And now this graph shows what happened to income elasticity of demand of high-end furniture when income rises.
Hi, my name is Nur Alam Maisara binti Zulkifli. My number ID is BDB2207058. For the case 3 is cross elasticity of demand. In this case, it's given two tables which is table A and table B. For table A, it has two goods which is coffee and tea. For coffee, by using the formula, the answer is 29 cents and for tea is 0. And the type of cross elasticity is positive cross elasticity. An increase in a piece of coffee leads to a rise in the quantity demand of tea. For example, coffee and tea are substitutes. When the price of coffee increases, the demand for coffee decreases, but the quantity tea will increase. Next, we go to the table B. For table B, it has two goods which is iPhone and tea. For iPhone, by using the formula, the answer is negative 0.4 and T is 0. The type of cross elasticity is zero cross elasticity. A decrease in price of iPhone will not affect the demand of tea. These goods are not interrelated in any way. For example, if the price of iPhone decrease, the amount demand of tea will remain the same.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aulia Awada binti Azizi. My ID number is BDB2207008. So for my part is case 4, which is price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply is the degree of responsiveness of the quantity supply of a product to the change in price. For a formula which is ES equal to percentage change in quantity supply over percentage change in price. A, which is when the price of good A is 200, the quantity supply is 100 unit. When the price increased to T300, the quantity supply is unchanged at 100 units. This formula, the answer is 0. Is case for question A. The answer is perfectly inelastic, which is ES equal to 0. So the number of electricity supply is equal to 0. It shows that the quantity supply is unaffected by a change in price. Question B, which is when the price of good increase from 200 to 300, the quantity supply of good A increased from 100 units to 300 units. So for question B is 0.6. You see the slide. This is case for question B. Answer is inelastic, which is ES less than 1. Of electricity supply is less than 1. It happens when the percentage change in quantity supplied is less than the percentage change in price. That's why the curve is stepping. 0.6% change in price will respond to change in less than 0.6% in quantity supply. Last question, which is question C. When the price of good A increased from 200 to 300, the quantity supply increased from 100 unit to 8,000 unit. The question C, which is 1.6. This is cash for question C. So the answer is elastic because ES more than 0. How to break? The number of electricity supply is more than 1. It happens when the percentage change in quantity supply is more than the percentage change in price. The type of curve of electricity supply is gently. It can be sloping or flat. So another point is 1.6% change in price will respond to change more than 1.6% in quantity supply.
Thank you for watching.